To desire or to wish for, to long for seems to be luig, luig. So it gets used in the sense of desire to or desire for something. So, for example, he desired to kill her, I think, would be luig a maru, luig a maru, luig a maru. He desired to eat it would be something like luiga ich, luiga ich. He desired to crush it, so luiga scorlach, I think. Not sure if it's scorlich or scorlach. So luiga scorlach. He desired to be sick. So luiga vi saich, luiga vi saich. He desired to scold or rage at. Luiga rai ed. Luiga rai ed. I guess you could probably use it with objects as well. I'm trying to see. Here we go. So luiga henga for iachgal is written in these search results. I'm using the Dusk website, so DASG, and that's how I find some sentences that show the use of words that are in these Perthshire lists, because sometimes I can't find sentences when I Google them. So maybe I desire a sandwich might be luig me kapper. Luig me kapper. And perhaps something like I desire shoes might be something like luig me brogan. Luig me brogan. Luig me brogan. I desire a toy. Luig me jejak. Luig me jejak. I desire, let's see, I desire a vehicle. Luig me karbat. Luig me karbat. I desire a car. Luig me car. Luig me car. My son picked up on me saying the word car. He loves vehicles. So the next one is sladig. Sladig, which means to work hard at or to give a lot of effort towards, I suppose. So sladig ed means working at it, working hard at it. So hami sladig ed. Hami sladig ed. Hami sladig ed. I think you would just add a noun after it. So hami sladig ed. And then, I don't know, beer. I am working hard on food. I'm working hard on the vehicle. Might be something like hami sladig ed harbat. Hami sladig ed harbat. I am working hard on the card. Hami sladig ed hast. Hami sladig ed hast. I am working hard on the curtain. Hami sladig ed husten. Hami sladig ed husten. I am working hard on the bridge. Hami sladig ed en drochach. Hami sladig ed en drochach. The next one is rai ed, which is to rage at or scold. So I am raging at him, I am scolding him. Hami rai ed, hami rai ed, hami rai ed. I am raging at or scolding her. Hami rai or, hami rai or, hami rai or. I am raging at or scolding them. Hami rai or, hami rai or, hami rai or. I am raging at you. Hamidai orst. Hamidai orst. Hamidai orst. I am raging at or scolding us. Hamidai Odin. Hamidai Odin. Hamidai Odin. I am raging at or scolding you guys. Hamidai Ori. Hamidai Ori. Hamidai Ori.